Hey guys, welcome. This is Caleb and I'm super excited that I was really tired of my MacBook Air because I had to keep folding it and I had to put it in a case wherever I used to go to the university and all, and I was super excited to get the new iPad when it came because the previous iPad was launched in 2017 and the next one came in 2018 September. And I got this new year and I'm super excited to unbox it. So I got this package, and because I got this from different online partner for Apple, I have got this in this box. But the other accessories that I have got are from the Apple store in Jungfernstieg in Hamburg, where I live. So that's the iPad Pro 11-inch 64 GB with cellular. So it cost me 1,050 euros, which is like super expensive for an iPad. But let's see if, as we unbox, on how this turns out. So yeah, I really love this, but the accessories also cost me close to 340 euros. But let's see. I think the Apple Pencil, the 2nd Gen 1, is worth buying it because it doesn't have the same the charging port. You can just there is a magnetic field and then you can just connect to it and it is good to go. So yeah, that's the Folio. It's a keyboard Folio, so it cost me somewhere close to 199 euros, and it's super expensive because there are other alternatives in the market, but I think I'm always for the original iPad accessories, and so I bought this one. I'm not sure how this works. Yeah, they have something to peel this off. So there we go. There we go. So the 11-inch seems quite handy. I can show it to you in comparison because the 12.9 it won't be really a good idea when we are traveling or in the airport or traveling to and from cities. So the screen size, as in compared to the 13.3 MacBook Air, is really great. And let's see what's there inside the box. So of course the same thing, and it must be having a manual. The great part about iPad Pro 2018 is they have replaced the Lightning port with the USB-C port. So it's USB-C to USB-C converter. I get a USB-C adapter, and yeah. So let's peel this off. I ordered the silver one in silver gray. So yeah, seems quite light and quite handy. As many people have said that this it has got increased screen display size compared to the other ones. It doesn't. It has a USB-C port, and it of course has no audio port here. And let's open the Folio. Seems nice. Yeah, that's cool. The same manual too. And we remove all this. And since this has got this magnetic field, it's very good to go because it can connect here and we just have to slide in here. So yeah, it works really fine. So I don't do really the bad way of tilting it or shaking it, but it is good to go. And these are the two angles in which I can keep. Yeah, it is also a magnet to make it feel good. And the other way when I'm putting it on my lap. Correct. So let's turn this on. That's the Apple logo and I'm good to go. Till the time I can yeah. Well, about this, I would say that it might be worth buying it for this one because the previous one cost somewhere close to 80 euros, but this one is around 135. The good part is that it has removed there was something to charge and it was not good to go, but now you can charge it while on the go. You can slide it into your case or into a bag and still it's charged. So let's also see how it works. Yeah, that's just for doing it. This one properly feels like a pencil, and I think this is smaller than the previous one. So I'll review this later, like what all I felt about it, and as a student, because I bought this as not as a replacement to my computer, my MacBook Air, but to make it more handy and to use it for taking notes and on the go for most of the things that are not related to this critical software that I use. But apart from that, all the works apart from that I can do in the university, as in putting mails or making slides or drafting documents and all. And it's handy that I can also use it inside even a bus where it's crowded. So yeah, let's try this. Yeah, so that's the good part, and let's also see if this one is falling. I'm trying to do the worst shake I can do. Yeah, it's good to go. It's not falling. And I have to choose a network, so I'll do that later and I will post a new video. Thank you.